Hi everybody, it is Monday, April or something or other, I can't remember. We've just called into work to pick up a massive swing press machine, which means sadly that because we've got nowhere else to put it, because it's got to have a good move, it's got to swing across, my dining room table is going to be used up with it, and well, never mind, that's the way the cookie crumbles, I suppose. We've picked up a lot of other stuff. We are heading back home. I've ordered some click and collect paint, which I'm going to collect on the way back. Switching all the lights off now, which we're going to collect on the way back, so we can eventually start painting the outside of the house. So anyway, I'll catch you in a minute. Absolutely nobody on the road.
Oh, there's three.
There's 3 cars.
4.
4, not many. This is the back part of the town, so it's not as pretty as the front part.
And there'd normally be about 400 cars.
Yeah, there'd normally be about 400 cars here. So anyway, we're heading to Wicks, where they have a click and collect. Look at this, rubbish along the road. So this is what you do, you stand outside and then you pick your stuff up, and you have to, then he has to go to pay for it over there. So you check that you've got what you want, you sign for it, and then you pay for it at the next entrance over there. Well, Brian has made a point there that we've been to work and back, and every time we go to work, normally I'm always coughing all the way there, and he said that I haven't coughed, and I've always put it down that I think it's all the car diesel that we're inhaling as we're going into the town, but I haven't coughed. So maybe it's because there's no traffic on the roads, I'm not inhaling diesel fumes. Could be. Tuesday, April the 7th, I think, and yesterday we went to get the paint, but apparently we were a day too early, so we've gone this morning. It's I think it's about 10 o'clock, and he's waiting in the queue to pick up the paint. He wanted me to come with him. Why, I don't know, but anyway, soon be heading back home again. We've got paint to paint the outside of the house, and he wants to fix the top of shed number 2 because it is leaking a bit. So that's what he's gone for, getting paint, some sealant and a paintbrush. We've got paintbrushes, but this is a paintbrush for the sealant. So waiting for those coming. However, when we got here, there were a lot of people queuing up ahead of him, and all those people have gone, and the ones that came after him have gone, and he's finally coming now with these 2 pots. Why are you doing that, Brian?
For my granddaughters.
You've been to the supermarket and you bought those?
Yeah.
Not the animals, the eggs.
It's because it's Easter, I believe.
Uh-huh.
And when you've got 3 little girls, all under the age of 10,
Uh-huh.
they get excited. And this year, they can't get excited because they're locked in.
Mm-hmm.
So this is to try and excite them.
That there's chocolate waiting for them at Grandad's house, but they can't get it.
Yeah. I blame the Easter Bunny who got his directions completely wrong.
All right, okay.
They landed here.
So you're going to take a picture and send it to them and tell them, look, I've got chocolate. Easter Bunny's left some chocolate. Who's calling? Is that you? Is that you calling? Oh, hello. Hello, Izzy. Hello, Sweetie Pie. Hello.
feel though I've just wrestled with a whale.
You've wrestled with a wheel.
Whale, this whale here.
You're covered in white paint paint that you've
It's
washed
the
off.
paint that's come off the wood. So we'll have to paint it now.
He's outside having a shower. I'm inside, and I just thought I'd show you 2 weeks since I had these flowers given to me at the supermarket, and 2 weeks later they're just about ready to go in the bin, but they've been doing very well. Change the water every day, wash the stems. I hand wash the stems, you know, kind of when it's in a bunch. My hands just rub the stems away, and they've lasted quite well. I haven't lost any petals or anything, so I'm very pleased with them. Do you like my sign at the back? Strong, healthy scrubber required for heavy but rewarding work. I picked that up at Beamish, and this is my collection of thermometers. I like thermometers. However, the one in the middle, that one there, it's I bought it from someone in France on eBay, but sadly by the time it got to me, the thermometer in the middle was broken. But I still like the shape of it, so I've left it. I've got it hanging. Wait, we've been cutting the trees, the bushes and things down, and this is rosemary, and I actually put this in the bin. I started to put in the bin, but it has a lovely smell. So I don't know, I haven't looked it up to see what to do, but I'm quite fancying on breaking all these off and putting them into there and seeing if I can make something with it. Well, I put it into the coffee grinder, and I added a touch of oil, and I've ended up with really ground rosemary, and it smells wonderful. So I was thinking I might put them into make them into sachets of some sort, a bit like those, using the material that I bought from the net bag type material that I got from Sainsbury's, where they were handing them out for 50p each, and or something similar. Make a little bag and put that into a little sachet that I can put under my pillow, because I think rosemary is good for helping you to sleep. It's got a gorgeous smell. Yeah?
I've got my rock buns.
Right, okay. Put them on there.
Right, look at that.
Oh, they're funny looking rock
They're
buns.
rock buns. Aren't they fantastic? Look at that. I'm not sure I could eat them.
They are well and truly rock buns from the garden.
Oh, you sussed me.
Right.
Right, hang on, I'm going to have a peek first. Are you ready? Turn the oven off. There we go. Holding my breath. Ta-da! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, hang on.
Rock buns.
Oh, look at those.
What about that?
There were supposed to be how many?
There was supposed to be 8.
Uh-huh.
Right. But I had this inspiration to do giant rock buns. So I just did 5.
So we're going to half them, aren't we? That's being really greedy if I have a full... Oh, right. Well, you can have one and I'll have half, and then I can have the other half another
You can
2.
have them 2.
Right, those
Right.
2, uh-huh.
Right, and
Because
I'm
they're
gonna have
quite...
these 3 big ones.
Okay, then I'll let you have those 3 big ones. Okie doke. Very nice.
Are they all right? We'll,
Yeah.
we'll taste test them later.
Okay then. So it's rock bun tasting time, and he's lathered butter on his, and I put the myrcent one on mine. That's not been because it's eaten, but it crumbled. And who ate the crumbled bits?
Me. I was just checking because I had a bit of a doubt, because on the recipe it said 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, and underneath it said a pinch of salt. And for a horrible moment I thought I'd done 2 tablespoons of salt and a pinch of sugar.
God. So I'm pleased you tasted it. Is it? It's not salty, is it?
You ready?
Nice.
Salty. I was kidding. I can't eat on a camera thing because